Dr. Ariane here from the Movement Paradigm. Today I would like to talk about the gut-brain connection and how powerful it is in your immune health, your hormonal health, and your nervous system. Before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Ariane Missimer. Don't forget to hit that alert button to stay tuned for new content on mindset, nutrition, and movement every single week. If you have ever had a gut feeling, then you know exactly what the gut-brain connection is. So the gut-brain connection is a bidirectional communication between the gut and the brain. The gut meaning our second nervous system, our enteric nervous system, and our brain, our first nervous system. This bidirectional communication happens through multiple pathways, including hormonal, immune, and also our nervous system. So the objective of the gut-brain connection is to maintain normal gut function as well as appropriate behavior. The first brain has 100 billion neurons, and our second brain, our gut, has about 500 million neurons. So you can see how powerful this neural connection is. And this neural connection happens primarily through the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve originates in the brainstem and then wanders down to the gut. The vagus nerve is going to signal in both directions. So for example, if you are getting anxious about a presentation that you have to give, you might feel that in your stomach. But if you are eating some kind of inflammatory foods, then that can cause you to potentially feel anxious. Now, the next connection is hormonal, and this is based on the neurotransmitters or the chemical messengers that we have that communicate between the gut and the brain. 90% of our serotonin is located in the gut that is produced by the gut bacteria. So serotonin is going to provide a feeling of happiness or sense of happiness. We also produce 50% of our dopamine, our feel-good hormone, in our gut as well as GABA, so GABA aminobutyric acid, which is going to decrease feelings of stress and anxiety. Last but definitely not least is our immune connection. So 70% of our immune system is in our gut. So when we have any kind of gut issue, we typically have an immune or inflammatory issue. In the case of leaky gut, for example, when you begin to have pathogens and toxins that are crossing the epithelial lining and moving into the bloodstream, this is going to cause an immune reaction. If this continues, this can actually cause leaky brain because those pathogens and potentially undigested food can cross the blood-brain barrier, causing inflammation in the brain, feeling things like brain fog. So there's a very strong immune system connection as well. So most importantly, what can you do to optimize your gut-brain connection? So number one is going to be trying to eat an anti-inflammatory diet, which just means a whole food, natural, clean diet. Making sure that there are lean proteins, healthy fats, lots of vegetables, fruits, and you're really making sure that if you have specific gut issues or health issues, please make sure to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you. We can see you virtually or in person. The next thing is to manage stress. So stress is one of the biggest things that can impact the gut-brain connection on both levels. So from the gut perspective as well as from the brain perspective. So using mindfulness, meditation, breath work, yoga, journaling, reading, whatever is helpful for you, perhaps even speaking with someone. And of course, making sure you're getting enough sleep. I can never say that enough, making sure that you're getting optimal sleep, optimal quality sleep as well. And of course, movement. So moving frequently throughout the day as opposed to just thinking of exercising 30 minutes a day, but really making sure that you are optimizing your immune system, your nervous system, as well as your hormonal system by getting in regular quality movement. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to comment below. I'd love to hear more from you. Like it, share it with your friends and family, and of course, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for new content on mindset, nutrition, movement every week. If you have a topic that you want to learn about, please comment below. I would love to hear and share with you any insight that can help you on your journey to better health.